In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete profiles in Google Chrome. Managing your browser profiles efficiently is crucial to ensuring a smoother online experience, especially if you tend to share your device with others or simply want to declutter your digital space. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open Google Chrome on your device. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your window. You're going to see your profile icon right there. Clicking on this icon is your first step towards managing your profiles and settings. This profile icon often displays either your avatar or the initial of the profile's name, making it easy to spot. After clicking on your profile icon, a menu will drop down. Within this menu, locate the gear icon, which usually has a cogwheel design and represents settings. Alternatively, you might find an option directly labeled Manage Profiles. Selecting this will take you into the specific area where all your profile settings are managed. This area is your hub for creating, editing, or removing profiles. Now, within the Manage Profiles section, you'll see a list of all current profiles associated with your Google Chrome account. Take a moment to locate the specific profile you wish to delete. It's important to hover over this profile without clicking immediately. Hovering ensures that additional options become visible for that specific profile. Once you've hovered over the profile you want to remove, you'll notice a set of 3 vertically aligned dots next to it. This is your next target. These 3 dots represent more options for the profile in question. Go ahead and click on them to reveal another menu, specifically tailored to manage that particular profile. In the menu that appears after clicking these dots, you'll find the option to delete. If you're absolutely certain that this is the profile you want to remove, click on Delete. Be mindful with this step because deleting a profile means erasing all the associated data, including bookmarks, passwords, and settings for that profile. Finally, a pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm your action. This confirmation step is vital as it prevents accidental deletions that could lead to losing valuable data. Carefully review the details, and if you're certain about your decision, click Delete again in the pop-up window. Doing so will permanently remove the profile and all its data from your Google Chrome setup. And there you have it, a straightforward yet thorough walkthrough on how to delete profiles in Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can ensure a tidier browser experience and maintain control over who has access to your Chrome settings and history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.